In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones. This relies on WhatsApp's official companion mode, which mirrors your existing account onto a second device. You won't need a second SIM card and you won't be transferring your number, just securely linking another phone to the same account. Start on the phone you want to use as your secondary device. Download and open WhatsApp Messenger from your official app store. On first launch, select your preferred language, tap Agree and Continue, and grant the required permissions so WhatsApp can work properly. Permissions like notifications and access to contacts help messages arrive on time and make your address book available. You can always fine-tune these later in your phone's settings. When you reach the screen that asks for your phone number, pause. Do not enter anything. Instead, open the menu in the top right corner. On many Android phones, this looks like three vertical dots. On other devices, you may see a simple menu icon. Choose Link as companion device, sometimes labeled Link to existing account. A large QR code will appear. Leave this QR code visible on the screen. It's what your main phone will scan to establish the link. Now switch to your primary phone, the one already signed into WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the top right corner, select linked devices, and then tap Link a device. If your layout looks different, check under settings for linked devices. The option is the same even if the menu design varies by device. Authenticate when prompted using your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. Your camera will open automatically. Point it at the QR code that's displayed on your second phone and hold steady until it registers. Once scanned, the two phones will pair. Keep both devices connected to the internet, ideally on Wi-Fi for the initial sync. If you have a large chat history, give it a moment. Messages and media will begin to populate on the secondary phone as they sync. After linking, the companion phone is fully functional. You can send and receive messages, make calls, and view media, and your chats stay end-to-end encrypted. Notifications arrive on both devices, and you don't need to keep the app open for it to work. If linking doesn't complete, make sure the QR code is still showing on the second phone. Update WhatsApp to the latest version on your main phone and ensure the camera has a clear view of the code. For privacy, never share that QR code with anyone. To stop using the second phone later, return to linked devices on your main phone and remove it. And that's it. You've successfully set up one WhatsApp account on two phones.